Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really short video on how I make my agua de horchata. To start off here, I have my ingredients. We need 2 cans of evaporated milk, a cup of rice, and some vanilla. And in the rice, we will have a stick of cinnamon. The rice will be soaked in water. Here, I will be adding everything to my blender after the rice was in the water for about an hour or so. And I will be adding 2 spoons of vanilla. And we will be blending it for a while. After it is done, we will be transferring it over and we will be removing the chunks of rice. We will do this a few times since a lot of it does get stuck on the bottom of the blender. After we are done with this process, we will be transferring everything onto our water pitcher, and in the water pitcher we will be adding our 2 cans of evaporated milk and some more water. After we are done with the water, we will be adding some sugar, and this will just be to add some sweetness to our water. Here I am mixing it and it is all ready to go. Super good, super creamy, super fast. We'll also be listing all the ingredients and the exact measurements that I used down in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it was really short, but I promise you guys it will be one of the best aguas horchatas you guys will ever try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.